Malibu LS1FL, EcoTech 2.4 Li4S FIDOHC, ABS brakes, clean vehicle history report, electronic stability control, and factory powertrain warranty. Don't pay too much for the great car you want. Come on down and take a look at this gorgeous looking 2010 Chevrolet Malibu. New car test drive set it. Has the size, room, features and conveniences of family sedan needs. The rear seats are roomy. Fit and finish inside and out are world class. We think the Malibu stands up well to the best in its class. Economical inline 4. A contender for 2010 Automobile Magazine All-Star. Price excludes tax, title and license. See dealer for details.